Tesla Incorporated is an American multinational corporation that specializes in electric vehicles, energy storage and solar panel manufacturing based in Palo Alto, California. Founded in July 2003, the company specializes in electric cars, lithium-ion battery energy storage, and residential photovoltaic panels through the subsidiary company known as Tesla Energy. The additional products Tesla sells include the Tesla Powerwall and PowerPack batteries, solar panels, and solar roof tiles. The company was initially founded with the goal of producing a mass market for electric vehicles, with the ultimate objective of helping to reduce the world's dependence on fossil fuels. The company's first car, the Roadster, was released in 2008, followed by the Model S, an all-electric luxury sedan, in 2012. The Model S was followed by the Model X, a luxury SUV, in 2015, and the Model 3, a mass-market electric car, in 2017. The most recent addition to Tesla's lineup is the Model Y, a compact SUV, which was released in 2020. Tesla's electric cars are popular for their innovative design, high performance, and long-range capabilities. The company's vehicles are known for their sleek, futuristic design and advanced features such as semi-autonomous driving capabilities. They are also known for their long range, with many models capable of driving over 300 miles on a single charge. In addition to its electric cars, Tesla also produces energy storage systems and solar products. The company's Powerwall and PowerPack batteries are designed for residential and commercial use and can be used for backup power, or to store energy from solar panels. Tesla also produces solar panels and solar roof tiles, which can be used to generate electricity for homes and businesses. One of the most notable aspects of Tesla is its charging infrastructure, known as the supercharger network. Superchargers are fast charging stations designed for Tesla vehicles, and they are strategically placed to allow for long-distance travel. These charging stations can charge a Tesla vehicle from empty to 80% in about 30 minutes, making it much more convenient for long-distance travel. Tesla has also been involved in a number of controversies over the years, including production and delivery delays, quality control issues, and accidents involving its semi-autonomous driving system. Despite these controversies, the company has continued to grow and expand, and its vehicles are now available in many countries around the world. Tesla is also working on self-driving technology, which it calls full self-driving, FSD, and developed its own chip to improve the performance of the self-driving technology. The company has also been involved in a number of high-profile partnerships, including a collaboration with Toyota to produce electric cars and a partnership with Panasonic to produce solar panels. Tesla has been successful in revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry. Its vehicles have won numerous awards, and the company has been recognized for its innovative technology and commitment to sustainability. The company has also played a significant role in increasing public awareness about the benefits of electric cars and renewable energy. In recent years, Tesla has also been expanding its business beyond just electric cars. In 2016, the company acquired SolarCity, a solar panel company, to expand its renewable energy offerings. In 2017, the company began construction on the Gigafactory, a massive factory in Nevada that is dedicated to producing batteries for Tesla's electric cars and energy storage systems. In 2020, Tesla has become the world's most valuable car manufacturer and made history by becoming the first automaker to join the S&P 500 index. This is a testament to the company's success and its potential for growth in the future. In conclusion, Tesla is an American multinational corporation that specializes in electric vehicles.